Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to bake a cheesecake. It's a unique recipe that's been handed down to my family. Now it's time to share it with the world. It is so easy that I don't even have my 9-year-old son bake it with us. So stay tuned. So you're going to need 4 8-ounce packs of cream cheese, room temperature, because if it was harder then it's going to be harder to mix. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 8 large eggs. Now for the enhanced sour cream topping, you're going to need 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pint of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. These are optional, but I like to have best of both worlds, so I'll do half and half. But if you wanted to do any kind of other topping, you would need 2 21-ounce cans of whatever you prefer. I prefer to crack the eggs open and stir it up by itself, just to make sure the consistency is correct. Like so. So now you want to put your room temperature cream cheese in a large mixing bowl and add the other ingredients for the cheesecake. The 1.5 cups of sugar, your teaspoon of vanilla extract, and your already mixed eggs. Now we're going to mix the ingredients together. Just don't go inside of the pan and start turning it on because you're going to flap eggs everywhere. So just push it down. Just give it a little mix up first. Now it's time to get your oven preheated at 350. Get some non-stick cooking spray. And pour it in. Stir stick pieces. You want to get your hand mixer and whip it good. Now it may be a little on the chunky side, and that's okay, because you're just going to pour it in and it's going to melt when it bakes. That's why it's good to have your cheese, your cream cheese, at room temperature. Now that your oven is preheated at 350, place your liquid gold inside the oven. Now you want to bake for 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven, so keep an eye out. Now for the unique sour cream topping, you're going to put your pint of sour cream in a bowl. Add your sugar, your 6 tablespoons, like so. And your 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Hand mix this. Very good. Smells amazing. 30 minutes. It's just perfect. So it's like this. So what you're gonna do is let it sit for 10 minutes. Let it cool. Now after 10 minutes, we're letting it cool down. You can see that it started to go down a little bit. Now it's time to put in your sour cream mixture. You wanna get your spoon, son?
Oh yeah.
There. I got the bowl.
Okay.
Now the other hand, son.
Oh, okay. Just like.
A little bit at a time.
Yeah. Whoa.
And you want to just smear it over the top with the other hand. As even as you can possibly over it. And you want to preheat your oven. 350 again. Put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, turn the oven off. Our baby's almost ready. All I gotta do is just let it cool down a little bit, put a little bit of foil over it, and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. It should be ready. Now it's the next day. It's time to test the fruits of our hard labor. So what you think, buddy?
Best cheesecake I ever had.
Was it hard to bake?
No.
Excellent. Please comment on how well you made your cheesecake. Please like, share.
Subscribe.